It's actually been a while I create a video for upload on my YouTube channel. I've been busy lately for my personal works, my drawings and paintings, but I still find time to create this video for you guys. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. The human figure has been a source of inspiration to many artists across time, geography, and culture. Artists have continued to, grapple with the subject through post-modernism and beyond. Such is the power of the human image. This form has helped me articulate and study the essential feeling, energy, movement, action, gesture, and body language of the subject. In portrait drawing, if you want to draw lifelike portraiture, knowing how to draw facial features is essential, which include the eyes, nose, cheeks, ear, and mouth. Before you can draw an entire face, you must first learn to draw each of the facial features individually. This has really helped me over the years, picking one of the features, the eyes, either the nose, drawing them individually, and I keep practicing on them consistently. Only by taking one feature at a time, you can learn the anatomy well and understand what to look for and what to capture in your drawing. Some artists do create their sketches or drawing with grid method, while others freehand. Whichever way is best for you to create your drawing is fine. But as for me, I do my sketches and drawing in freehand. I've been practicing this method for a very long time, and now I'm confident with it. Let's talk about light and shade. Light and shade plays a very vital role in shading because it brings depth and gives three-dimensional look on the object. Carefully observe the tonal graduation of each area. For shadow, use dark shade pencil. Example, we have the 6B, 7B, and 8B. Or we can use charcoal. After you add your light and dark tone, blend them smooth with a blending stump, just like what you're seeing now. Or you can use a tissue paper, or you can use an earbud. These are tools that aid blending. Be sure to blend out from the dark areas into the light area of your shading. In this drawing, I'm shading a light-skinned woman. So shading light skin can be a little complex if you are not careful when shading. So for me, most times I use light grade pencil ranging from 2B to 4B, so depending on the skin tone. For the hair, I use charcoal pencil because charcoal is very dark, so it gives you this dark shade. So charcoal can also be messy if you don't know how to use it. It can, stain your hand or your paper. So it needs to be carefully, used and shade. Most times I use soft charcoal for my shading. I enjoy working with soft because the charcoal won't be so hard on the paper, and it's going to be easy and it is easily blended. If there is any drawing tool I've enjoyed lately, it's going to be the Mono Zero. This amazing eraser has really helped my drawing in creating tiny details, texture, and highlights. That is a very wonderful. The person behind this idea of this tool, I would give the person a very big thumbs up. Have you ever wondered why some drawing lack dimension? because the shading and the light and the shadow are poorly executed. That is why after getting your proportion right, after your sketches, focus on the light, shade and shadow. Because when you focus on this aspect, when they are properly executed, they bring life to your drawing. They make your portrait look solid and real. So shading plays a very, very important role in our drawings. So when you see a drawing that lacks dimension, check out this shading. Either the artist is not patient enough, or the artist did not shade properly. I know this drawing has inspired you. I just wanted to share this briefly with you guys. I hope you've learned something, and I hope you're going to put this to practice. Please, if you're new in this channel, I would like and encourage you to support my channel by subscribing, like, comment, and share your thoughts on your comment section. What are the challenges? What are your experiences in your pencil drawing? See you guys on my next video. Bye.